Hello everyone, this is Dakshit Arya, third year medical student. In this video, I am going to tell you about the books that I followed during my first year MBBS and going to give you some tips and recommendations that you must follow during your first year. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So in the first year, we have three major subjects that are anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. So I have categorized the books that, according to their level, like gold standard book, middle level book and reference book, that is the Raddi level books. So if I talk about the anatomy, we have subdivisions of anatomy, like anatomy contains histology, embryology, gross anatomy, general anatomy. So there are different books available for that all subdivisions. So if I talk about the gold standard book of anatomy, that is a Gray's. That book is very humongous and voluminous, बहुत ज़्यादा मोटी book है और many of the students take back step after seeing the book because that is so much huge book, and also the language in that used is a little bit tough. So अगर बात करें कि आपको यूज़ करनी चाहिए या नहीं करनी चाहिए, तो it's only depend on you, because if you want something extra, so you have to go for that book. So if I talk about the main book of the anatomy, that is a middle level book, that is BD Chaurasia. The language used in that book is very easy and you can understand that very well. Also each topic has illustrated by the diagram. Also there are flow charts in that book. So this is all about the BD Chaurasia, and it consists of 4 volumes, like volume 1, volume 2, volume 3 and volume 4. One consists of upper limb and thorax, second one is lower limb and abdomen, third one is head and neck, and fourth one is the neuroanatomy. So I didn't study neuroanatomy from that book. So I rather studied neuroanatomy from in the B Singh. So that is about the BD Chaurasia. This is the book that is a red color book. Like I have 3 volumes. So also if you want to study like neuroanatomy, so go for BD Chaurasia. Very easy language I use there. Also there is a special book like that is general anatomy. That is a small volume book, like it will clear all your terminologies that are going to be used in that anatomy. And the most important book, that is this Atlas by Natter. This book is very much important for anatomy, because anatomy is a visualized subject. Like you cannot cram that subject. If you cramp it after 2 to 3 days, everything will be good. So you have to visualize that subject, and you have to make where it is part located, what is the edges and through which it will connect, and like anastomosis and everything you will going to be visualized. So you will never cramp that subject. So Natter do it very well. It clear all your बहुत सब कुछ क्लियर कर देगा, ये क्या क्या यूज़ हो रहा है, कहाँ पे कौन सा ऑर्गन प्रेजेंट है, कहाँ से कौन सी आर्टरी वेन कहाँ से क्या गुजर रही, सब कुछ आपका क्लियर कर देगा ये. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट बुक एवर, एंड इट विल क्लियर योर anatomy. 40 to 50% of your anatomy will cover up this by this book. So you have to study this, you have to take this book. And another, if I talk about the anatomy subdivision, is like histology. So for histology I use this book. This is the histology by Inder B. Singh. So this book consists of very well histological specimen diagrams, and very easy language is used in this book. It will clear your histology very well. So you have to take histology by Inder B. Singh. It will enough for that. And also another subject in anatomy is embryology. Again, for embryology I use this book. This is in the B Singh by for embryology. So every topic is well illustrated by diagrams and flow charts. So it will be enough for the embryology also by Inder B. Singh. And like these are the books which you must have during your first year MBBS for anatomy. So the second subject you are going to study during your first year is physiology. Also there are physiology also there are levels of book, like gold standard level, middle level and lower level books. If I talk about the gold standard book for physiology, that is the Guyton Hall. I had this book. This is a very interesting book, and it will gonna clear all your concepts. But the only problem with this book is like the language used in this book is very tough, and not this book is not for everyone. And also if you want to study this book, you will not going to get to this book if you not read like middle level book first, because the language used in this again very tough. So if you want to read this book, you must have to read first middle level book, and for middle level book there are many books present, but I will recommend two books, that is A.K. Jain and Sambulingam. I studied Sambulingam. This is the book. Yes, this is a voluminous book, but the language used in this book is very easy, and it will clear your doubts, and all your concepts will be cleared by this book. And then you will shift to the Guyton, because you have to study Guyton, because it is very important subject. Like physiology will be used in further pathology, pharmacology, medicine. Physiology will be used in every field, so you have to study physiology very carefully and effectively, and clear all your concepts by these books. So I will recommend first study middle level book. Either you can study A.K. Jain, or either you can study Sambulingam. I studied Sambulingam. Then you will shift to the Guyton. Please don't get to the Guyton directly, because you will be messed up with the language used in that book. So the third and the last subject in the first year is biochemistry. So there are also many books are present in the market for biochemistry, but like gold standard middle level. If you want to study for a gold standard book for biochemistry, the book is Lippincott. I didn't study Lippincott. Rather, I studied middle level book, which is Satyanarayan, the best book ever I have studied. And biochemistry is my favorite subject during my first year, and Satyanarayan do work like a cherry on the cake. It will clear all your concepts of biochemistry, and the metabolism processes and reactions are well illustrated in this book. So these are the books. Also, if I recommend book like for dissection, if you love dissection and want to know about whole body, you must have Cunningham. This is the book which you studied prior to your going into the dissection hall. So you have to know what you are going to do in that hall, what you are going to do on a cadaver. So like you have to study prior going into the dissection hall, that is Cunningham. So these are the books that you must study in your first year MBBS, and I studied during my first year. If you like the video, press the like button and follow the channel The Medical. For further videos you will get about your medical journey.